Welcome to Shree Learning Academy. Our today's topic is Advanced Networking Technologies. So let's get started. Networking technologies have come a long way from the days of simple LANs, that is local area networks and dial-up modems. Today we have a plethora of advanced networking technologies designed to make our connected world safer, faster and more efficient. Let's break down some key concepts in the realm of advanced networking technologies. The evolution from network bridges to switches. Traditional network bridges were devices that connected different local LANs to form a larger network. They acted like a traffic cop, deciding which data should go where. Today, these bridges are largely replaced by switches. A switch is smarter and more efficient. It learns which devices are connected to which ports and only sends data where it needs to go, thereby reducing unnecessary network traffic. For example, imagine a small office with two departments separated by a hallway. In the past, a bridge would connect the LANs of these two departments. However, a modern switch could do the job more efficiently, reducing the traffic that goes down the hallway and keeping relevant data within each department. Importance of disabling IP forwarding for security. In a system with multiple network interfaces, IP forwarding, also known as bridging, allows a system to pass data packets between these interfaces. While this is useful for routing and connecting different network segments, it could be a security risk if not managed properly. For example, consider a computer connected to both an internal corporate network and the public internet. If IP forwarding is enabled, a hacker who gains access to the public-facing side could potentially infiltrate the corporate network. To avoid this, disabling IP forwarding ensures that the system doesn't unintentionally act as a gateway between secure and insecure networks. IPv4 to IPv6 transition mechanism. As the internet has grown, we have run out of IP addresses under the older IPv4 system, leading to the adoption of IPv6, which has a vastly larger address space. However, the transition has been slow, and many parts of the internet still use IPv4. Technologies like IPv4 to IPv6 tunnels, proxies, or bridges allow these older systems to communicate with newer IPv6 networks. For example, think of IPv4 and IPv6 as two different languages. A bridge or tunnel serves as a translator, allowing these two to communicate effectively. SSL TLS accelerators for efficiency and security. SSL, that is Secure Sockets Layer, and TLS, that is Transport Layer Security, are protocols that encrypt the data traveling between your computer and a server. This ensures that sensitive information like passwords or credit card numbers remains confidential. SSL TLS accelerators are hardware devices specifically designed to handle this encryption, making it both faster and more secure. For instance, it's like having a dedicated chef in a restaurant whose only job is to make a specific dish. Since that's their only task, they can do it quicker and better than a chef who has to make various dishes. Monitoring through SSL TLS decryptors. While encryption is critical for security, there are cases where companies need to inspect encrypted traffic for monitoring or filtering purposes like detecting malware. SSL TLS decryptors are used to decipher these secure communication. This can be deployed inline, that is directly in data path, or out of band, that is monitoring a copy of the data. For example, imagine a security guard checking bags at the entrance of the building. The SSL TLS decryptor acts like this guard, checking the bags, that is data packets, for anything suspicious. The role of media gateways in VoIP systems. VoIP, that is Voice over Internet Protocol, has largely replaced traditional telephone lines for voice communications. Media gateways serve as translators that convert data between different formats or communication protocols, often acting as a bridge between traditional phone lines and newer VoIP systems. For example, it's like having a travel adapter that allows you to plug your American phone charger into a European socket. The media gateway serves a similar purpose, making sure different systems can communicate seamlessly. Hardware security modules, that is HSMs, and their application. HSMs are specialized, tamper-resistant hardware devices that manage and store encryption keys. These are crucial for secure cryptographic operations. HSMs are commonly used in various industries and applications such as certificate authorities for SSL TLS certifications, ATM and point of sale terminals, hardware SSL accelerators, DNS servers, and so on. For example, imagine a secure vault where only the bank manager has access. An HSM serves a similar function, acting as a secure vault for encryption keys. Trusted Platform Module, that is TPM, in everyday computing. TPM is a type of HSM that's commonly found in many computer motherboards. One of its main use is to provide whole drive encryption, making it difficult for unauthorized users to access the data stored on the computer's hardware. For instance, think of TPM like a fingerprint lock on your smartphone. Just like the lock prevents unauthorized access to your phone, the TPM secures the data on your computer's hard drive. In conclusion, advanced networking technologies are crucial for maintaining the speed, efficiency, and security of modern networks. From the evolution of traditional bridges to switches, to the critical role played by various security hardware, understanding these technologies is key to navigating today's interconnected world. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do check out the written explanation on our website and don't forget to take this quiz based on this video. The links are in the description box below. Subscribe to our channel to watch more interesting videos. If you have any doubts, do let us know in the comment section and we'll try our best to solve them for you. For private coaching, do contact us by visiting shreelearningacademy.com or on WhatsApp. See you in the next one.